Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix you need to format the disk drive before you can use it. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Disk PC app and all of your disk drives will be displayed here. Now, I don't have that type of device right now, but I will show you the complete steps and procedure, so follow all of the steps carefully. The first thing you need to do is click on this search menu at the bottom and search for command prompt. Now, run this program as an administration and allow the permissions. Here, make sure to note the target disk letter. Once you have it, start typing chkdsk space disk letter space /f and then press enter. This will automatically scan, clean the bad files, and repair the disk drive. So that's basically how you can fix you need to format the disk drive before you can use it. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.